What's up, guys? It's Aiden from Project A. Today we're here at WRC and we're going to be tuning a 2020 G63, fully custom built, full custom wrap, full carbon everything, and a full custom stage 1 tune. Project A. Stay tuned.
Me and the devil walking side by side.
We just finished the tune, did the data log, seeing that we're getting a boost of about 4 pounds extra, and now it has a little bit of a pop. I'm sorry, it has pop and bangs. So it definitely has pop and bangs. It's definitely a lot faster than it was before. Project A, stay tuned.